This is maybe not the right tool for the job. Hey everyone, so this came in the mail today. I'm hoping it's an anniversary present from my wife to me. So it's supposedly in this box is a board game created by YouTube channel Atun-Shei Films. It is a game that he calls Flintlock and Tomahawk. But I'll go ahead here and let him talk about that.
Strategy board game. It's set during King Philip's War, and I call it Flintlock and Tomahawk. If you've seen my documentaries about King Philip's War, then you'll know all about it, but if you haven't, it was a historical conflict. It was fought in 1675 and 1676 between a coalition of Native American nations and the colonies of New England. In this game, you take command of one of those colonies, or a Native American tribe, and duke it out.
Well, alright, so now that we know what's in here, let's go ahead and get to the unboxing. Wait a second though, I think I have something for this. This is my example of what is known as a fur trade axe. This particular example is traced to the Massachusetts branch of the Mohawk tribe. This one dates to the 1700s, so a little bit outside of the time period that we're talking about with this game, but still pretty close. They all kind of look like this generally. And I believe the Mohawk were actually on the side of the British in King Philip's War. In any case, let's get to it. Which one would work best? I guess this looks like it'll work best. So for anyone wondering, this is actually not being released on my actual anniversary. I'm not super particular about that. I asked for this for my wedding anniversary from my wife, and that's when she ordered it. But then it took a while to get here and for me to film this. Alright, now that that's open, let's take a look here. Looks like that's the board. Looks like don't tear open your box, because that'll be the box. Oh, folds all the way out. I don't even have enough room here on the desk. Oh, cool. Alright, let's try this again. Now that I'm over here on the dining room table instead of my desk, I have a little bit more room. So this opens up like an accordion. That looks pretty cool. Yeah, there you go. It's pretty cool looking. Let's take a look at the rest of this stuff. I don't remember, are these the little token things? Yeah, that you put down for the, what's this here? Some kind of, what's this say? The game contains laser cut components. Laser cut items will have a slight amount of soot on the edges. Can be wiped off. They will also have a campfire-like smell for about a week. Well, I don't care about that. My house probably smells like dogs, so cool. Laser cut. Cool. What's this? Where are these? Stickers? What does it say? Same thing? I wonder what those are for. Oh, those things must go on these. Oh, I see. Okay. Ah, it looks like those little stickers go on these guys. I don't see any particular directions, but I guess he's got the video up, so I mean, not difficult to figure out. And the cards, man, the cards look really cool. Look at that. Death is the good man's friend, and the day of his death is better than the day of his birth. Was death denied, and fools would with to die, the hope of death fortens our cares and heightens every bliss. Rest in peace, then, for we shall live again. And all these other little guys. Oh, these are all really done well too. I'll have to go over the video on how to play it again, and maybe one day if I have any friends, I can actually show you guys around, because I don't really know anyone who's down to play. My wife and I play Battleship sometimes, and I like Axis and Allies, but don't really have anyone around at the moment. So I hope you enjoyed that little video. I was happy to be able to support Atun-Shei. I always enjoy his videos and feel a little bit bad that I don't usually have the ability to support him on Patreon or anything like that. I figured this was a pretty good thing to ask for a gift, something I could share with other people and also support him. Anyway, hopefully pretty soon I'll be able to wrangle some people into playing with me, and we'll have a little bit of fun with that. Otherwise, if you enjoy these videos, go ahead, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.